Hello, it is time for video number 69. The title is More Practice. All right, it's just actually two examples and a journal assignment. So our goal here, given that this is a rectangle, it is a rectangle, and our goal is to find its area. So we need the width and length, but there's a problem, Mrs. Les.
They're missing, so we have to find them.
Right,
okay?
they're kind of diagonal in the grid. So we could use either the distance formula, but since we have a picture, we can just use a Pythagorean theorem. Very good.
Let's make a triangle. Okay, so this side is 2 units, and this side is 5 units.
And I would comment, we want the exact area, so we're not going to approximate with decimals. So we're going to keep it radical, keep square roots.
So I have 5 squared plus 2 squared is equal to EF squared. Okay, so 25 plus 4 is equal to EF squared. So I have 29 is equal to EF.
Wow, you fit it in there. There wasn't a lot of room this time.
So let's take a square root. Take a square root of that. So I know EF is equal to square root of 29.
Okay, we'll keep it like that.
There's no way to simplify it. No perfect square. 4 doesn't go in. 16 doesn't go in. That's already too big.
Okay. So now we need the length.
So let's go to FG. So here is my triangle. Okay, so I have 4 units over here, and down here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 units. Okay, so again, 10 squared plus 4 squared is equal to, this time I have FG squared.
And then all of that is 116.
Excellent, is equal to, that should be FG, let's make it FG squared. Take the square root, and can we simplify that?
We can. 4 goes into it.
Awesome. So I'm assuming.
So let me see, 116 and divided by 4.
FG.
I think I should know that one, but it's 29.
Okay, great. So 4 times 29. So if I simplify, FG is equal to 2 square root of 29.
Wow. All right.
Let's find the area.
So that's actually the new part. So we did distance before, Pythagorean theorem before. So now we can use those distances. So it's going to be 2 times the square root of 29 times the square root of 29. This is actually going to work out nice.
And it's complicated for square root lengths. So if we multiply this out.
So we have 2. And then the square root of 29 times the square root of 29 is?
Just 29.
29, okay. So, actually, the square roots are gone. And we get 58. So, units squared. So, it was looking bad. We had radicals for the sides, but that's kind of cool. When we multiplied them,
simplified really nice.
It did. All right, here we go. This is a right triangle. So, the right angle is at the bottom. And for triangles, we do base times height divided by 2. So we can use ST as the base.
Very good.
And again, we're going to get square roots because we need the Pythagorean theorem. But I'm really hoping this works out nice like the last one. So
that's
check. 3 and 1.
So 1 squared plus 3 squared is equal to ST squared. So I get square root of 10.
Yep.
Is equal to ST.
Very good.
And we have to leave it like that for now.
Can't do anything with it. You got to walk away.
Yep.
All right.
For the next one, SR. So here's my side SR. Again, let's make a triangle. So this is 2 units and 6 units. So 6 squared plus 2 squared is equal to SR squared.
So this time that's 40.
Okay, so 40 is equal to SR squared. Again, if we take the square root, so square root of 40, let's simplify that. So how can we break that down?
Okay, 4 and 10. And so we get 2 times the square root of 10.
Okay, great. So we're ready for the area. So area of a triangle, remember, one version of the formula, we can do base times height divided by 2.
Okay.
So if I substitute, okay, let's use 2 square root of 10 for the base times square root of 10 for the height, and all of that divided by 2.
That looks pretty bad. But square root of 10 times square root of 10 is 10. And then, so...
I can simplify.
Yeah, we can cancel
it's
those.
all multiplication, so 2 over 2 is 1. And we ended up with this beautiful number 10.
Correct.
Units squared.
Awesome. All right. So there's your 2 examples. Or just 2, but there's a lot of math there. All right, we have one for you. So this is a right triangle. Mrs. Les, can you
Sure.
mark the right angle?
You just get the pen.
And you're going to find the length of NO, the length of
So
side
here's your side.
MN. So you're going to find the base and the height there. And then you're going to multiply them and divide by 2.
To get the area. And
Right.
you're all done.
All right, that won't take
Good
too long.
luck.
It won't be too bad.